Storm, also known as a strong windstorm, is a natural phenomenon characterized by a sudden and powerful burst of wind that can cause significant damage to structures and the environment. Storms can occur in various forms, from tropical storms to tornadoes, and can have a range of impacts depending on their size and strength. The formation of a storm typically begins with the interaction of warm and cold air masses, resulting in the development of a low-pressure system. As the air masses continue to move and interact, the low-pressure system can intensify, creating strong winds and precipitation. The strength and duration of a storm can vary widely depending on several factors, such as the size of the low-pressure system, the amount of moisture in the air, and the surrounding environmental conditions. One of the most common types of storms is the tropical storm, which can develop over warm ocean waters in the tropics. These storms can be particularly dangerous because they can rapidly intensify into hurricanes or typhoons, with winds reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Tropical storms can cause significant damage to coastal communities and their infrastructure, including flooding, landslides, and widespread power outages. Another type of storm that can have a significant impact is the thunderstorm. These storms typically develop in warm and humid environments and are characterized by intense thunder and lightning, heavy rainfall, and gusty winds. While thunderstorms can be relatively short-lived, they can cause flash flooding, damage to buildings and trees, and even start wildfires. Tornadoes are another type of storm that can cause significant destruction. These rotating columns of air can form within thunderstorms and have winds that can exceed 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes can cause extensive damage to buildings and infrastructure, and their paths of destruction can be several miles long. One of the primary ways to prepare for a storm is to stay informed about the latest weather forecasts and warnings. The National Weather Service provides regular updates on severe weather events, including tropical storms, tornadoes, and thunderstorms. It is also essential to have a plan in place for what to do in case of an emergency, including having an emergency kit with food, water, and other supplies. In addition to preparing for the potential impacts of a storm, it is also important to take steps to mitigate its effects. For example, planting trees and shrubs can help to prevent soil erosion and minimize the impact of flash flooding. Additionally, reinforcing buildings and infrastructure can help to make them more resistant to high winds and other storm-related damage. Overall, while storms can be unpredictable and destructive, taking steps to prepare for and mitigate their impacts can help to minimize the damage and keep communities safe. By staying informed, having a plan, and taking appropriate action when necessary, individuals and communities can help to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side.